Imagine the frustration of being denied a simple bank account because of a past financial mistake. For many, an old overdraft or a forgotten fee can lead to immediate rejection, making it feel like you are locked out of the financial world. But you are not without options. Most traditional banks rely on specialized reporting agencies like ChexSystems to screen applicants. If your name appears in these databases, you likely need a more strategic approach to banking. One of the most effective solutions is seeking out a second chance checking account. These programs are specifically designed for those with a negative banking history, offering a way to demonstrate reliability.
I have an appointment with Mr.
While they may
Thompson at
include
10.
small monthly fees, they often
a moment,
provide
I'll
a
check.
path to graduate
I
into a
understand
standard account after a
completely.
year of positive activity. Another option
I
is
need your
choosing
help to
institutions
sort
that
through
do
this
not use
paperwork.
these screening systems at all, such as certain online-only banks or local credit unions. These institutions often focus on your identity rather than your banking past. To start your journey back to financial stability, it is wise to request a copy of your consumer report to identify any errors. Settling small outstanding balances can also result in a paid-in-full status, which banks view much more favorably. By choosing the right
Welcome.
account type and understanding
Today,
how the
I
system
wanna talk
works,
to you about a
can
crucial
regain
decision
control of your
many
finances
of you
and
face
secure the
every
essential
day.
banking services you need.